Thanks again for your interest in our Invoice AI product and our Document AI suite. The objective of this video is just to show you a little demo so you can see Invoice AI in action and understand what the core features are. So before I dive into the interface, I just want to kind of go over the problem statement. Historically, firms such as yourselves have seen a lot of situations where you have a lot of invoice files where you need to analyze them and pull data out of them in order to do further analysis, really. So maybe you're seeing if the client charged tax, for example, or if you're seeing if numbers were over certain values or something else. You have data that are on invoice files that you have to manually have somebody transcribe onto a sheet, which can take a dramatic amount of time, be prone to error, and also just not be super fun for a human being to do. You've got invoices, they're images, they're PDFs, they're in different formats, sometimes they're multiple pages. But sometimes, you don't just have five. Sometimes you have a lot more. But even if you have five, it's like, this is annoying. Our solution here solves that by being able to automatically pull all of that data out in a way that you can immediately get the results you need and then export the data to a spreadsheet for further processing. So let's look at that in action. So first of all, our interface, we've got three tabs here. We've got our invoices tab, which is basically all of the invoices you've uploaded unfiltered. You've got this next tab, which is your job history. So think of each upload event as a job. So, in this situation, I uploaded 3. And so if I click on those, it filters our table just for that, those series of documents. So again, if I wanted to export the data based on an upload I just did, I could do that in a nice filtered way. So you've got your job history. Then we've got our audit log, which similarly, again, just shows all of the events happening. So you can see on a high level what's happening in the system. Job history, invoices. The other thing is there's more data that's being captured in this detail view, which we'll go into in a second. So it's not like this is all the data that you're capturing. You'll notice that there's a status to and an average confidence. And so if the average confidence is below 92%, meaning the model has a 92% confidence on average in the data it pulled, this will automatically note as review, meaning that a human needs to review it. But otherwise, it will note as complete. Let's do a test, or rather a demo. I'm going to upload some files. So I'll just upload all 5 of these. Okay. I'll agree. Submit. And then I'm going to pause it so I can enter this data into the secure Stripe checkout page. Okay, so there we go. Now it has successfully charged my card. I've uploaded 5 files, and so we can see them there immediately. And so I'm not doing anything now. I've just uploaded them. It has not even been a moment. And my goodness, they're already coming through as complete. So you can see them marking themselves as complete automatically with data. Great. So all of our data is already there. And I'll filter for that. And so now I'll click into one of these. So let's just click this one. So a few things about the invoice details page. One, you can look at all of the documents that you analyzed quickly. You can move around between them as part of it, just this singular view. You can look at the update history for auditing purposes. But you've got this interface where you can also download the file, you can change the status. But you've got a situation here now where you can confirm that the data is correct. So we've got the total field here. It says 5325. Got 5325, tax 325, so etc. You've got kind of your key fields here. So there's a bunch of key fields and their confidence. And then you've got other fields. So if there's other data that's also recognized, you've got that here. Let's say, for whatever reason, you want to change the data that is associated with this document. You can edit, and you can edit these fields. So whatever, let's say I want to make this, so the numbers are, to date, they are never incorrect. But let's just say for whatever reason this was like a tardigrade research. This was like a extremely stylized word, like it was like a logo or something, and so they thought it was tardigrade, but it's actually cardigrade. Type that, press done editing. We done. It's edited. But you'll notice if we edit, then it marks back as review. You just have to confirm it's complete. Complete. So again, we're in item 5 in this job, but I can go back, item 4, 3, so I can move and do this quickly, very quickly, if I want to review this, if I want to review what has happened. Let's just say I'm chill, I'm like happy with it, it's looking good, really nice average confidence levels. I'm just going to export this data. Wow, look at that, it's exported. So I'll open it up. It's a CSV file. And all of the data is there. So the document title. And if it's blank, that means that it didn't detect that. So payment terms, for example. But like all of the data is there. So like the other fields, you can see that's just an array of fields. But you can see like the numbers are really nicely there. The tax, the subtotal, a lot of things. All the data that's pulled, basically, though, is in this nice spreadsheet. And my goodness, that only took a moment. So I hope that kind of clarifies some of the powerful features. But when you really crunch the numbers against, even a person doing this, this is not only going to save you about 95% of your time, but it's also cost competitive compared to human labor. I hope that was interesting and informative, and really looking forward to your feedback. And once again, we hugely appreciate your interest in this product. So thank you.